Hey guys, in today's video we're making a lava lamp. But before that I want to introduce a very important person. He's smart, he's very intelligent, he's a good person and a positive person. And he is Jordell!
For this experiment, we're going to need a transparent and sealable container. In this case, we're using a waste plastic bottle and some water.
Vegetable oil, vitamin C tablets and a choice of your own food coloring. First I'm going to add some water.
I'm going to add a little to dye.
Now I'm going to add oil.
After you add the oil, you'll need to add some vitamin C tablets. Now let's take a look at the science behind the lava lamp. The reason why the lamp works is because the tablet reacts with the water. Oil does not mix with the water because the oil is slightly less dense than the water.
Releasing CO2 bubbles, the combination of water and gas makes the spot less dense, so it makes the bubble float.
The bubbles are less dense than the oil, so it floats up through the oil too.
Since water is attracted to itself and not to the oil, the bubble moves through the oil in a ball shape.
Once the bubbles get to the surface, or most of them pop and release to the air.
When enough bubbles pop, the water becomes more dense than the oil. The ball of water sinks down through the oil and joins with the rest of the water.
and that includes our experiment on lava lamps. We'll see you next time on Science and Science Only!